Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between the heat and the cool mode on your Gree air conditioner using the remote control. So what you need to do first is to simply press this type of on/off button on the remote so that your AC should turn on. So when it is turned on, you just have to then press the mode button repeatedly, and each press is going to switch between the available modes. So when you see this type of snowflake icon on the display, it means that you are currently in the cool mode. When you see the sun type of icon over here, it simply means that's the heat mode. So depending on the type of mode that you want to select, you just have to simply wait until that icon appears over here. For example, let's say you want to set it to the cool mode. So when you see this type of snowflake icon, you just have to basically stop pressing that mode button. After doing this, you just have to press these plus and the minus buttons in order to basically lower the temperature to your room temperature, and then basically wait for at least 2 to 5 minutes until you see the changes and until the AC start cooling your room. So that's how basically you can switch between the modes. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.